How to buy Robux with people. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is open the Roblox app or go to the Roblox browser and then make sure you are signed into your Roblox account. Now in home page you can see Robux option available at the top tabs. Now all you have to do is tap on the Robux and navigate to the list of Robux option available in your Roblox account. Now here scroll down and choose one according to your preferences. So here let me just choose a random one. Now here in the payment section you can see PayPal option available there. Now all you have to do is tap on it and you will be navigated to log in to your PayPal using your login credentials. Now all you have to do is enter your PayPal credentials and you will buy or purchase the Robux using the PayPal account. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.